To use Gen 3 Alpha, head to the Text or Image to Video tool and select Gen 3 Alpha from the Model dropdown. Then, in the prompt box, let's add a prompt. With Gen 3 Alpha, you have the option to create a 5-second video or a 10-second video, which you can select from this button here. Generation times with Gen 3 Alpha are quite fast, about 60 seconds for a 5-second generation and 90 seconds for a 10-second generation. Gen 3 Alpha was trained on highly descriptive, temporally dense captions. Basically, the more detailed you can make the text prompt, the more Gen 3 Alpha will shine. The description can include anything about the subject, scene, lighting, camera movements, and so much more. In addition to visual details, Gen 3 Alpha can be prompted for subject action, camera action, speed, transitions, and more. For example, you can prompt a high-speed wide FPV shot approaches a rocky seaside cave, enters the cave, and emerges in an Arctic landscape with glaciers and snow-capped mountains, hyperlapse cinematography. Gen 3 Alpha will work with a wide variety of prompt structures, from super simple to more complex.